Hi guys, in this lesson I'm going to talk about a recently introduced feature in Python, the match statement. Let's create the file. Lesson 19 hyphen match.py. Command equals input parenthesis quotation mark choose a greeting column space new line match command column new line case quotation mark 1 column new line print parenthesis quotation mark hi new line case quotation mark 2 column new line print parenthesis quotation mark hello new line case underscore column new line print parenthesis quotation mark invalid choice and run it. The match statement compares the command with each of the case statements. Let's try. 1 and we get high. Run again. 2 and we get low. The underscore is used as the default and is executed if none of the other cases match. Let's try 3. Invalid choice. Now, let's create a new variable, item equals 2. Match item column new line case int parenthesis x. If x greater than 0 column new line print parenthesis item is a positive number quotation mark comma x new line case str parenthesis x column new line print parenthesis quotation mark item is a string quotation mark column x case list parenthesis x column new line print parenthesis quotation mark item is a list quotation mark comma x and run it. First, let's analyze it. To match the first case, the item must be an integer greater than 0. To match the second case, the item must be a string. To match the third case, the item must be a list. Let's try. Let's choose the greeting. 1. Item is a positive number because it's 2. Let's change it. -2 and run it. Choose a greeting again. 2. We didn't obtain anything because the item doesn't match any of the cases. Now let's make it a string and run it. 3. Item is a string -2. Let's make it a list and run it. For item is a list. Let's recap. Triple quotation mark. Lesson 19 hyphen match. We learned about the match case and how to use it. So for this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.